doubts, anything practiced? Did you practice? That's the first question. Weekends. Yes,
I
no, some
went
through.
the previous classes and also little revision of the work centers and everything.
Okay, good. What about sir? Sir will be dreaming about Madam, fiancée Madam. I didn't got this man. You told me last now. I'll be see daily. I'll be coming to that point only.
Yeah.
So, okay, how was your?
Yes. Yes, I studied on weekends, but not on weekdays because like I'm not getting time on office time, like during Monday to Friday. I'm getting some work, but on weekends I'm preparing. Yeah.
Government is danger, man. If you're practicing only because it is.
Getting a lot
Okay.
of work nowadays.
Yeah, I understand, but at least half an hour. Yeah, again, you're sitting with me 1 hour. Yeah, I agree, but even we are
Yeah.
not doing classes in the Saturdays, nah, then okay, I'm not denying it, but try to reduce the sleep. Even you need to manage time with fiancé also. Absolutely. Otherwise, they won't. In my days, now, when my marriage is fixed, out of 24 hours, 20 hours I'll be in phone, man. Really, I'm telling.
Yeah.
20 hours.
So
I'll
mine
put
is
my
like
phone twice charging per day in
it's a
24 hours.
no, it's like a time. It's like a time difference, like
Absolutely,
because of
that.
4:30.
Ah,
So
that's the.
I don't get time to talk only.
I'll charge my phone twice in 24 hours. Wherever I will be starting my phone. Okay, so let's start the session for today. No, that is a very wonderful period after fixed and before marriage. Right? That is a different period in life. That's a kind of different. Okay. So, what are the reports? Again, same question, very important. People are not considering. So, every batch I'm starting with reports. What are the reports in same model? Normal default reports.
IH06 for functional location. IH08 for equipment.
Then work center CR05. Okay.
But yeah.
CR0507 they'll be like CR05. Okay. And bomb we are discussed. Okay. Spare parts, item category L and N. Okay. And three types of bomb: equipment, function, location, and material bomb. Okay. And the PRT discussed. Okay. What are the three types of PRT, madam? Three types of PRT, madam.
Yeah. So document PRT and
tell me, madam. You told you prepare. Tell me, give answers. Then how you will get offer? You have a lot of money to spend for proxy. I think so. $1,000 to give to proxy. I guess so. Right?
Yeah. No, nothing like that, sir.
Then
No,
prepare, madam. Prepare, madam. I'm telling for you. I want my people to get up directly. Okay. See, I will tell you. Yesterday, one of my guy went to interview Monday. Saturday night, I was discussing with him 45 minutes. What I discussed, 8 questions, everything came in the interview. What I told, including that 2 extra questions, but he failed. What I can do? Sunday, weekends, I'm sitting speaking to him. What and all I asked, teams, what does the team says? Casting integration, okay, blueprint discussion, same questions, repeated. But he is not clearing. What I can do more than this. So yeah, types of PRT are equipment, document, and the material PRT. Okay, equipment, document, and the material PRT, right? So that's what, madam, I'm telling you. Are preparing, but that you should be very still more sharp. That's what I'm expecting. Okay, so right. So I was seeing IBAU material bomb. Material type, I think IBAU. Okay, IBAU. I was reading in Google actually. Okay, material type for material bomb. Okay, material type. Okay, I was reading in Google. Okay, right. So then, measuring and documents. Some T codes are there. Reports they won't ask that, but it's something IK 17 something will be there. Okay, so usage this and all we had completed list. Okay, so the task list we will be seeing later, and then we are seeing the. Yeah, tell me, Saurabh, class and characteristics. Saurabh, sir.
So class is the specification of the technical object.
Okay.
And we define we define like characteristics, and then we assign it to a class.
See, everyone are doing the same wrong. What your answer is correct. Always try to bring an example immediately. When you are giving answer, right? Don't speak only from the SAP perspective. Take example immediately. A motor or an engine, the pressure, flow, the dia. Okay, like just take a small example, right? So it will satisfy the panel people, right? So try to, sir, it will take some 3 seconds, right? Take example immediately. Engine, the frame size, the pressure, company, flow, temperature. Examples of engine. This is a specification, right? Like that. Try to give with domain words. Getting me, Saurabh?
Yeah.
People are, what I can tell, not concentrating. That's very important. Very important. Don't tell only on the SAP perspective. Okay. So then still many things are there. Then after that, you told specification. Then there is a flow, right? For that, what is a flow? There is a small flow. Is there? What is a flow? Sir, I'm asking you in SAP how you will do. Tell me. You told characteristics CT04. Then how you will attach to the technical object?
We'll define a class type.
Class type will be already designed in the system. We won't define. We will define only the class. Okay. Class type is given by the SAP standard 002 and 003. Saurav, please practice. Please practice. That's what I'm telling. Okay. So be very sharp on those. Class type is given by SAP 002 and 00. It's a very important point. That is the reason I'm asking class and characteristics. Whether you are telling the class type. Okay. Class type is given by SAP. Class we are defining, or you can use the available class. You can take any class of our class type and you can use it. Nothing I need to create a new class. It's what is class? You are just grouping. Am I right? That's all class, right? So that's also through class type will be linking, and in the equipment reference, the class field will be non-editable. So when you attach your class value will come there in the first general tab, right? In the first tab, right? So just I'm touching, at least you guys will remember. Jayashree madam, did Sunita, anyone from India pinged you? Sunita from India, did she pinged you? No.
No, not Sunita.
Anu is in touch with you?
No, not Anu. Okay, nobody from your group, sir, like this common group that you created, but from SAP PM, a lady contacted me. She's she's like that big group of SAP PM.
Okay. Because I had given your number, Sunita. She is also taking same like ours only. Extra 2 classes they are heading away. Extra 2 classes. So I gave just to interact. US, Anu is in US.
She is from?
She is from India and Anu is from US. Anu from US. Sunita is from India. Okay, both are in 9 o'clock EST batch. I had given, since ladies, right, I told you be interactive, I gave your numbers. So that's okay. So this is the class will write. I told you it will be non-editable in the equipment reference. So when you're attaching your class here, your class will come here. Okay, so this class type is given by SAP standard. So when you attach your class here, right, see it is a different class. Okay, so when you attach your class, okay, so just I'm touching. Okay, just I'm touching. Okay, today we are going to start work order. Okay, today we are going to start work order. You can come back here. You can see the classes coming. Okay, just I'm touching. Today we are going to start the work order process. Today we are going to start the work order process. Okay, so work order process. Okay, work order process is the step-by-step process. Is the step-by-step process carried to do our maintenance activities. Okay, is a step-by-step process carried to do our maintenance activities. Okay, so they will tell us work order normally. Okay, work order, or they will tell us maintenance order. Okay, they will tell us maintenance order. Normally they will tell us work order or maintenance order. Okay, so there are some steps we need to do, no mandatory. Okay, so creation of work order. Okay, creation of work order. Okay, so creation not only from IW31, it can be done from IW21 also. Okay, through notification, that we'll discuss later. Okay, still is there, not only 31, 21, still there are some other ways also from your equipment report, right? FL report, there also you can do. Okay, from your equipment report, FL report, there also you can do. If you go to IS06 or 8, right? Just I'm touching. Okay, from here also you can create a maintenance order. You can see here. Just I'm telling. Okay. From here also you can create my order. From here also you can create my maintenance order. From reports, IS06, IS08. Okay, there are 6 ways. Okay, there are 6 ways to create a work order. Okay, there are 6 ways. Okay, AW 31, 21. You remember this 21, 31. Others, if you remember, okay, otherwise no issues. Okay, so preventive notification report. Okay, so equipment report, FL report. Okay, structure list. From here, all you can create. Along with this, there is MRS. Okay, through MRS also can be created. So there are
IW21 we use for notifications.
yeah, notification only. From notification also you can create work order. From
Okay.
notification also you can. That's what I told you here, IW21. That's what I told. Okay, right. So T code is IW21. Okay, then settlement rule. This we'll discuss. Okay, keep it apart. Okay, we will discuss. So release is kind of approval. Release is kind of approval. So from release only, your MM duration, confirmation, shop paper, and your estimated cost. 4 conditions are there. Okay, estimated cost. 4 conditions are there with that release. Without release, your MM duration. Actually, there also a config, but standard after release only MM duration kickstarts. Confirmation your labor activities completion, shop paper or smart form, that also can be printed only after release, and then estimate that will come. Okay. So it's a kind of a not approval. It's a kind of approval. After release, right? We'll be doing confirmation. Confirmation means labor activities completion. Confirmation means you need to remember labor activities. Don't forget. Confirmation means labor people working, right? The people who are working. So that is what labor activities. Completion. There is single confirmation and multiple confirmation. IW41 and IW44 still are there. 47, 40 something. Mainly these are the 2 TQs for the confirmation. Okay. When all your work is completed, you will be doing the TECO. TECO means all my maintenance activities are completed. All my maintenance activities are completed. Okay, all my maintenance activities are completed. Okay, activities are completed. That is called TECO. Okay, all my maintenance activities are completed. Okay, the work order will come to display mode. Work order will come to display mode. Okay, TECO means technically completed. TECO means technically completed. All my maintenance activities are completed. Okay, settlement. So settlement means when your work is done, there are 3 ways of cost coming: labor, material, and service. These are the 3 ways of cost will come in the work order. Okay, any cost when your work is completed, okay, the cost will be sitting in the PM. Your work order. It should not be from the PM. It should be settled to the finance. If you are not doing the settlement, the amount what you had spent will not come into the finance report. The amount what you had spent for your maintenance will not come into the finance, the spent expenditure done. So settlement is mandatory. Okay, settlement is mandatory. Okay, T code are KO88 and KOG, and then the business closure. Business closure means closing my work order, total closing work order. Okay, if some cost is pending, which is not settled, it will not allow to close. It will not allow to close. Normally, from the business side, they don't know this. Okay, business side, if you ask from the client who are using the SAP, right, they will know only this. This also they don't know. Creation, release, confirmation, take over. That's all. Settlement and all what they will ask. They don't, because it will be taken by the badge job, taken care by the badge job. Normally, settlement will be taken care by the badge job. And here this all can be reversed. Okay. TECO, confirmation, TECO, settlement, business closure can be reversed. Even if the cost to settled also can be reversed, not a matter. The amount will be reversed. Confirmation also can be reversed, TECO can be reversed. Only thing which is not reversible, from created, if you come to from REL, if it is REL release status, you cannot bring to created. That is not possible as per standard. That is not possible. This is created. Okay, CRTD status. Okay. From CRT, from REL, it is not possible to reverse to CRT. From REL, it is not possible to reverse to CRT. That is the only thing which is not possible. Other than that, this all can be reversed. Confirmation, takeover, settlement, and the business closure can be reversed. This is the basic theoretical of work order. Any questions on this? Anything? Okay, let's see in the system. Don't think I'm putting 4 columns. I'm not complex. Just it's a very simple. Okay, make it simple. Okay. So
this
read
is only
this.
for the cost, or
Which one?
generally this is only for cost calculation.
Which you are telling?
Work order concept, or this is
Not
the
only
flow.
cost, my maintenance. Why
Okay.
PM model? Why PM? Why you are learning PM model? What you are going to do with the PM model? Maintenance activities. When the repair happen, what is the date? How many people worked? What is the material consumed? How much cost occurred? My history of my objects, maintenance of my objects, and different types of maintenance: corrective, preventive, breakdown, calibration. Different maintenance processes are there. Different maintenance processes are there. General maintenance, corrective maintenance. Okay. General maintenance, corrective maintenance. Okay. Breakdown, calibration, project, shutdown are different maintenance processes are there. What we are discussing is a general common. This will be there for all the process. Again, process to process, it will. These two come nearly the same. General and corrective, no difference. Only your order type will change. Only your order type. Again, breakdown, calibration, project, shutdown order. We'll be seeing preventive itself will go 1 week. Preventive, I didn't write. Preventive itself will go very 1 week. Preventive. So
These are all types of work orders?
Yes, different types of maintenance process we are going to see. Different types of maintenance process we are going to see. This will be one session. Calibration one session separate. Project very simple. Okay. Shutdown also very simple. Preventive will go 1 week. Preventive will go 1 week. This itself will go 1 week, 10 days. 10 days general work order will go. Many things, priority, revision, permit, costing integration. I'll be teaching vendor and linear asset where other trainers will not teach. Okay. So yeah, work order will go 10 days or 2 weeks. It will go work order process.
And what is like the standard output or not standard output? These are like types of work order, or is like just
Sorry, standard.
Stand with no output required or something like that. No.
No output required.
Standard output required.
What output you are telling? Standard output is what you are trying to tell? What output? I didn't understand properly actually. Output not required means what you are trying to, what output you are asking. That's I don't understand correctly. If you tell what is that output, then only I can tell what is your point. I can tell, then only I can tell on that. Output means you are telling sharp paper output or something other. You are telling something. What?
Okay. I'm not sure. I listen a lot of people ask this saying non-standard output and standard output. So I thought it's related to work order only.
Got a standard output, not output.
No standard output required.
I don't know. I need to.
I'll come back to you on this.
Yeah. We'll discuss. No issues. You can come back. Okay, we'll discuss. Okay, now we'll go to the screens. Okay, now we'll go to the screens. Okay, now we'll go to the right. So these are the T codes. Okay, IW31. So order type. Okay, order type is the field defines what type of maintenance you are going to do. Okay, order type defines what type of maintenance you are going to do. Okay, this type. Okay, right. Now we'll go to IW31. So this is the field I told. Okay, so this order type is what type of field. Normally PM01, 02, okay, 03, 04. Okay, normally these are the different order types. Okay, so PM01, it can be others also. We are going to configure later. Okay, normally PM01, 02, 03, normal standard order types are this. We can configure. We will be configuring later. We'll be configuring. So we'll take PM01. Okay, so I'm telling I'm going to do maintenance order process. Okay, or you can take PM04, no issues. Okay. So you want to give the object here for which you are going to do your maintenance, your technical object. Okay, press enter. My plant. Normally it should come from equipment. Sometimes. Okay. So when both are coming, now it is one coming. If I'm taking some other right. If both are coming, your maintenance is done on the equipment and not on the FL. FL is for information purpose. Clear? When both are coming, FL is only for information purpose. Maintenance is done on the equipment. Okay. Just I want to show, sorry, the disturbance, I will forget. So I'm opening this. There are here, I don't know. One guy in my YouTube, after seeing my YouTube, he had told 6 years I'm working, now only I'm getting clarification, he had told. That comment, it's mid of the class, but when I just want to show you, sorry for it. See here. He had seen my video, detailed example of preventive maintenance training, the statement I loved it. I knew after 6 years, same year completely and relate. We used to understand this. So that 6 years people are giving comment on my training. Just I want to show. Okay. Okay. So when both are there, FL is information purpose. We are doing maintenance on the equipment. If equipment is not there, you are doing maintenance on the FL. FL also you can do maintenance directly. It's not that equipment is big example, right? Your any cooling system, water system, right? Air heater system. So air heater, total air heater, I need to do a service. Total air heater. So everything will be stopped, right? So you will be doing maintenance on the FL level. So it can be equipment or FL. Okay, right. So this is your work start date. Okay, this is your work finish date. Basic start and basic finish. Okay. So normally from the equipment, your work center, your planner group, okay, everything will be copied. Your control key here. Okay, your control key, your work center. Normally data will be pulled from your equipment along with the company code, okay, business area, cost center, work center, plan section, location, everything will be normally taken from the equipment. In case if the equipment is not there, then it will pull from the FL. Okay, normally data will be pulled from the equipment. Every data, most of the data is pulling from the equipment. Okay, your cost center from the equipment it will be pulled. Everything. Okay, right. So this is the planner guy. Okay, so work center people. Okay, so go to the operation. See the maintenance. What you are going to do? You are doing here repair for the engine. You are going to do the repair for the engine. Okay, so this is your activity type. This is only for information purpose. This is only for information purpose. Okay, reporting. Okay, what type of maintenance you are going to do? Safety, Okay, shutdown, repair, like that. What of you can create activity type. We'll be doing later. This is activity type. Okay,
What is this system condition?
that is PP integration. System condition means right. So we had seen
I mean,
already.
I
Yes,
remember that we used to enter like n
PP
in
was.
this system condition wherein like no output job required, and then if there is like a or n some conditions we maintain here.
That's what not in operation. Something will come. Your
Yeah.
PP work center we are entering here, right?
Yeah.
With this, it will pick here. Okay. And if you are putting not in operation, from this field, it will go to your planning board, your PP planning board. PP integration, it is PP integration. It is PP integration. Okay. That is what system condition. These are the things. This is going for the PP integration. Planning board we discussed now, equipment location tab, PP work center, with that related to this system condition. Even I don't know much, but it is related to your PP work center, you are entering your equipment as a file. With that, in their planning board, it will be changing. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Even I don't know the very full because it is going to PP. Our side, this is what again it will be changing in the PP side. So PP side from PM side, this is what from PM side. This is what okay. Yeah. Okay. Now go to the operation. Here I am going to give my list of activities. Okay. Inspection of engine. Okay. Compressor check. Okay. Abnormal sound check. Power check. Right. You can give here list of junction box check. Like that, you can give a number of activities. Okay. What and all work you are going to do, you can enter like this. You can enter like this. Okay. So this is one work. This is one work. This is one work. This is one work. This one. So this is called as operation activity. Operation activity. This is operation tab. This is one operation activity. This is next operation activity. This is next operation activity. That is what your numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is called operation activity. This field is called operational activity. Okay. So I am putting here number of people working. 4 people for 2 hours. Okay. One guy will work for 5 hours. So how many people and how many hours that you are entering here. Okay. That you are entering here for each line item. Okay. Normally this should be work. Okay. This our we in work center we entered activity type. Remember formula activity type related to that. We'll discuss later. FO integration will discuss later because that is what going here. Okay. Presenter. Okay, calculate work, presenter, calculate work. This is coming from the configuration. Okay. We will discuss later. Configuration we will see later. Okay. Just I am doing because you people. So yeah, this is what your operation activity. Okay, this is coming from the configuration. Normally work only. If you want, you can keep others also. Okay. If you want duration, right? So duration will be your work divided by number of people. I think so. Yeah. Okay. Work divided by number of people will give the duration. Normally work will be maintained. Normally work will be maintained. Okay. So this is the control key. Okay. This is deciding you are going to do work internally or externally. Okay. This we are seen in the work center. Internal means my internal people doing work. External means third party coming and doing the work. Okay. This is a very important integration service order flow. Okay. So this is external. We'll discuss. Anyhow, we are going to do MM degradation. During the time, we'll discuss that later. So this is long text. In case if you want, you can enter your long text here. You can have whatever you want. You can enter your long text for your operation. Okay. So I can add my components material in case if you have BOM, how you can add. I have a BOM for this equipment or FL. So how I can add my material from BOM? Anyone? Material from BOM. Last class only we did 2 days before. Hello.
Yeah. Yes.
2
We
days.
have
some link.
we have a construction type construction field in equipment, I guess, to connect this material bomb. For others, you had it from downside for 2.
Downside means where downside? What? I didn't understand.
List.
What? That
This
is what
list,
I'm asking. I'm asking
list
list only. I'm asking list only. Then you go to construction. Give the word list. That is my question. BOM material, how I can add? Through list button. That is what my question. That is what my question. Okay. So give the operation activity for which operation, right? First operation or second operation. It will ask normally. Press enter. Yeah, we have BOM. You can add from your bill of material. Okay. So if you want, you can change your quantity. How much quantity? Item category.
What we are doing for that operation, how much of material we will need? That
Which material? How much quantity I require?
Okay.
You cannot take any material for your plant only. You can take. You cannot take any different plant material. It will throw you error. Okay. You can take a material of your plant, and again there will be some material that issue something will come. This is one of the error. Normally, plant if not for 1,000, you will get this error. Again, one more error will get normally. Material type is not this. Okay, that under material type also that issue will be coming. Okay, this material is not for this thing sometime, right? Okay, so that also you get it. So in that case, go F4, take your plant and you take it. Plant by material, there is a option. Okay, go here, give your plant and give take according to your plant. Take according to your plant. Okay, if you take from list, no issues. If you take from the list, it is no issues. Okay, so this is your item category. We are discussed during bill of material stock and non-stock. Again, it is asking the operation activity, right? The MM data is missing quantity. Okay, this is a normal message. Delivery gate can be, that is a normal message. Okay. Yeah. So
because
if
we
you
have
take,
selected non-stock and we are creating a work order.
yeah, you can take non-stock. Why not?
And
Always stock material may not be there, right? I will be using some non-stock material.
so when we select this kind of order and we say that this will be needed, then the order will be placed.
Yeah, PR will get generated. That we are going to see MM degradation later. PR will generate. We need to know PR, PO, MIGO, MIRO. We need to do later. Mandatory, important default MM degradation to do later. 100% we need to do. Fundamentals we should know. I'll come later. I'll come on that.
Okay.
So this is your item category. Okay. So this is your plant and for which operation you are doing your work. Okay. And your quantity required. Don't give unit of measure. It will be taken from your material master directly. Item category you need to give. Which item will be L or N. Again, you can add n number of material. Okay. How much material you need, you can add. Okay. Like that, you can add more materials also. Your operation activity, right? You can add your details like this. Okay, give the quantity, how much quantity you require, right? You can give like this. So till now, okay, I just created the order. In the means it is in the planning stage. Okay, in this it is the planning. This is the calculate button, calculation cost. Okay, calculate cost. Go to the cost tab. Okay, we'll see if some cost is coming. Yes. So your material cost is coming. Okay, your material cost is coming. Only plan cost. That we'll discuss again. Costing is a different flow. So this is a calculate button. Okay. Labor income. Okay. So material only came. Okay. Okay. So till now it is in the planning stage. It means I created the work order. My work is not started. It is just created. Whether I can proceed with my work, whether I can proceed with the work, that is what done by this release button. If it is released, then only actually you should start the work. Till release, your work order is in just create stage. Okay, it is just in the create stage. If it is released, then only you should. That is the normal process. That is what kind of approval, kind of. Okay, kind of approval. Okay, so it is created stages. If you click this button, or you can do this also. Order function release. This also you can do. Order function release. This also you can do. All are same. You will get a message normally. Okay, permit is there. That is okay. Okay. So you'll get a normal message. This is not a error message. It will come normal message. Order will be released after update. Save your order. Save your order. Save it. This will come.
So it said order will be released after update. Update means which update it is waiting.
That message will come. That's all. Update means I don't know what update it will happen. Okay, it's a standard message. That's all. Normally, any order when you are changing from when you are clicking that release button, you get a message. Order will be released after update. What is that update? Maybe your MM integration kickstart that PRPO, right? So that will start your reservation PR should generate actually. Okay,
Yeah.
and your confirmation shop paper. This I told, right? Maybe it will go some information for this. Maybe directly after update, the status will change. That's all. Status will change. Okay, from you can see here RELK. If you save, if you are not saving, again it will be CRTD, right? So if you save, yes, status will come to status will taken by the system by REL. It didn't save now. So this is REL. This is REL.
Okay.
So now my work order is released. Okay, you should not tell approved. Approved is a non-SAP word. SAP word is released. SAP word is released. Okay. Okay, SAP word is released. So my plan, what activities I am going to do. Okay, what all materials are required. Everything is in the system and it is ready. I can start my work. Okay. So if you want, you can take printout of this. If you require, you can take printout. After release. After release, if you need, you can take a printout. Okay, normally that is the process. People will take printout. Okay, this is called sharp paper or smart form. This is called sharp paper or yeah, this is called as sharp paper or smart form. They will be telling. Okay, so this is my work order number, my function location, my equipment. Okay, and this is the material issue. Materials here. What are material I am going to use? Quantity, unit of measure. Okay, so these are things. Reservation number. Okay, that and all you'll get MM related things you'll be getting here. Okay, this is called sharp paper or smart form. You can print this. You can print it. Okay, you can print it. Okay, you can print it. Normally, this is what happens in the thing. Okay, so you can print it. If you put print fax, right? What will happen, madam? If you put print fax, madam should spool
No.
SP02
Yeah.
spool will get generated. Okay, just I'm telling. See, yeah, our spool got generated. I think ours, yes, ours only. Okay, this they will tell
So
us.
what is pool?
See, in the work order, right? If you are not giving printout, okay, if you put print, for example, okay, wait, I'll tell you. So, If you are not giving the printer, and if you are giving print fax you are giving, and if your fax is not working or something, the PDF will come as spool request. Spool means it's a document will be saved there. That's what spool. Okay. It's not part of work order. Just I'm telling. Created by. Where is the created by? Report for work order IW 38 and 39. Report for work orders IW 38 and 39. Please write in a note. IW 38 and IW 39. 38 is change list of work orders. And IW 13 is display list of work orders. Okay, IW 13 and 13 is the work order reports. Okay. See here. Okay, I'll go to change. Okay. So instead of taking printout, print preview, right, I'll be giving to the printer, right, printer or fax. It will go to the printer. Also, it may save in the spool. Spool is the place where this printout and all will be saved as PDF. The print what you are given, right? The document SP02. Your document, no doc, so your document will come and sit here. That is what spool. This is not related to work order, general printout, standard, not only PM module, any module. This spool is standard. Okay. Normally you go with print preview. Okay. Right. So with this printout, people will be doing the work. Now they will be starting the work in the field, in the factory plant. Start the work. When the work is completed, so we had created the order, we had released. After release, my work will be started in the field. When the work is completed, I need to start with the confirmation. Again, I'm telling confirmation means write in your hand, please, both of you. Confirmation, labor activities completion. Please write. That labor word is very important. Put a line or star for that. Put a underscore line. Confirmation, labor activities completion. Please. Confirmation means labor. That word should kick in your mind. Don't tell confirmation my work is completed. Don't tell that word. That's what I'm telling specifically. Techo, all my maintenance activities completed. Done, both of you.
Yes, sir.
Confirmation,
Yes.
labor activities completion, TECO, all my maintenance activities are completed. Okay, be thorough on this. Okay, release is kind of approval that you know. I don't want to tell that. Okay, kind of approval. Okay, these two words are very important. Okay, these two words are very important. Okay, since you guys are new, so I'm telling. Okay, right. So now I'll be doing my confirmation because my work in the field is completed. Okay, so you can see here the control key is editable. I'm able to edit it, right? I'm able to edit. I'll be doing in confirmation in the T code IW41. So you don't want to copy the copy number, work order number. If you go there, it will ask for which operation you are doing confirmation. Okay, directly order number will come. No need to copy the order number. Give the operation activity. So in the work order, what you had entered, this is not the original work you are going to do. This is the planning. I had told that inspection will take 8 hours. 8 hours is coming by your multiplication of a number of resources and duration. That is what 8 hours came here. This may not be the original work, right? It can be reduced or it can be increased, right? So this is information. What you are doing here, my labor activities are completed for first operation. For my first operation, I am telling to the system, my labor activities are completed. This is my order number. This is the confirmation number given by the system. This is your work center. This is your plant, activity type, your cost, posting date, Okay, here this field is very, very important. This final confirmation field is right, very, 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 very important. Very right. Everyone write in a hand note. IW 4144 confirmation tick mark, right? It's a very critical actually. You should know it, the importance of it. Okay. In IW 4144, confirmation field is very important. Okay, confirmation field is very important. Why I will tell you now. Okay. So you need to give this tick mark and no remaining work also. Okay, no remaining work. This clear open reservation means, so in the work order I would have put 10 materials, but I would have consumed only 8, right? So there are 2 materials pending reserved for our work order. Am I right? Is it right? I had in the work order I had put 10 materials, but originally I had consumed only 8. So 2 is open. The 2 will not go directly. It will be open with your work order. It will be blocked with your work order. Okay, you cannot use that material. To clear this open material only, this tick mark is there, clear open reservation. Clear? To clear the open, not only reservation, for PR also. Okay, see the open materials with respect to your work order, if you give this tick mark, this open will be clear. That is what this clear open reservation. Okay, so this field final confirmation in the means, for this operation I am doing confirmation now. Again I can do the confirmation again for the, again I mean I did one more activity, same activity. Engine yesterday I did, again today I am doing again. Got my point? Again tomorrow there is work pending. Tomorrow I have work pending. So I, without giving this tick mark, you can do the confirmation. Getting me? That is what this final confirmation. Yes, no?
Okay.
Both of you.
Okay. Okay. So
Okay,
final
sir.
confirmation is
Yes, yes.
exactly when all the work is totally
Yes.
complete.
For this
Okay.
operation, for this operation. For this
Inspection of
operation.
engine. Okay. For that
This
operation.
operation activity, this leave this is anything. For my operation activity, we are discussing with this operation activity 10. Okay, so this is what final confirmation, clear open. No remaining work is kind of information. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all. This is not having any logic, but this final confirmation is having very important logic. I will tell you. So that's all here. Here you need to give the original time happened. In the work order I have given 8, but that may not be the case. It would have happened 18 hours, 19 hours. So this field is very important in the confirmation, because this field is the field going for your labor cost. Labor cost. This is the field it will trigger for your labor cost. So this field is very important. Okay, from this field only your labor cost will be coming. Okay, so save it. Okay, save it. I know this issue will come. Okay, that will see during MM integration. We'll see that. Sorry, FI integration. Okay, now you proceed further. Okay, costing will see better. So now go to your work order. Go to the operation tab. You can see the control key non-iterable, because I did
Final
confirmation.
confirmation. Huh?
Yes,
Final
confirmation is for confirm. Yeah, final confirmation. Yes, final confirmation. Select the line. Click this button I. You can see confirmed. You can see confirmed. Okay. Operation level confirmation. You can see this button. So I did for one operation. I need to do multiple operation. See the status here. Partially confirmed, because CNF will come if all the activities are confirmation done. CNF will come if all, even one is not confirmed also, it will be in CNF. It will be in PCNF. Okay. So now what we'll do? We'll do collective confirmation. We'll do collective confirmation. IW44. we'll do now. Okay. So this is my order number. Copy it now. How many activities? 70. First is confirmation done from 20 to 60. Okay. Go to IW44. Okay. Give your order number. Give here, press enter, your order number. So this is your operation, right? 10 we had completed. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, I think 70. Enter. Press enter. This is warning, that is labor cost motion that we'll discuss later. So I'm doing collective confirmation. I'm doing collective confirmation. Again, give your final confirmation, no remaining work. Okay. You can give clear resolution also. Okay. Normally they won't give, it's up to the business how they want. Okay. Because after confirmation also they will be doing the MM activities. MM degradation I told, right? That they will do sometime later also. Immediately during confirmation they won't do, later also they will do. So it's up to the business. Okay. But what is the role of this? I told you. Open reservation and the PR will be closed. Okay. So give your original work, how much time it had happened. Okay. What is the original hours you can give here. Okay. Press enter. So this is the configuration number generated by the system, your work order number, your operation activity, your original work need not to be from the work order, original work, okay? Unit of hours, this is final confirmation, no remaining work, okay? See, for example, I am removing this one tick mark for only one operation. I am removing this tick mark, okay? I'll tell you. Okay, so this is your work people, resources, planned, activity type, we'll discuss labor cost. So that's all here. Okay, here nothing much. Enter, any error, nothing, save it. I am doing collective confirmation. Now go to your work order. You got it? For one activity, since I didn't give that final confirmation button, system is still keeping PCNF even though it is years confirmation done. Now you got the point. What is the role of that final confirmation button? It's a very key button.
Yes.
So that final confirmation button is very important. Even one line, if the final confirmation tick mark is not given, you will not get CNF here. It will be partially confirmed. Okay. Right, guys? Saurabh.
Oh, yes.
Okay. So we'll see here what is the status here. C. Partially confirmed. If you go to the before activity, it would have been confirmed. Got it? Got it?
Okay.
So do the confirmation for the final confirmation. IW41 line number 70. Operation activity line number 70. Right? Give the tick mark and save it. Not only 7th line, any line. Okay. Don't think only the last. Any line. Okay. So now go to your IW32. You will get the CNF. This is about the confirmation, single confirmation and collective confirmation. Okay. IW41 single confirmation, IW44. Collective means any number of confirmation you can do too. Right? Now all my confirmation is done. Okay. Then MM degradation will go. Okay. Maybe before confirmation or after, that's okay. That's what I told. If you are doing before confirmation, you can keep that clear open reservation I told, right? this clear open reservation. This you can give the tick mark, clear open reservation. Okay. No. Okay, double click it. Okay, if you are just I'm telling, okay, don't get confused. In case before confirmation you are doing your MM activities, you keep clear open reservation. Some people they will do the confirmation later. Maybe the MM side, MM people also may do sometimes. Okay, but mostly PM consultant, mostly PM consultant. Okay. Yeah, after this, all my work is completed. Okay, I need to do my
So generally, in the business point of view, when we are doing clear open reservations, that means we are releasing all those material that we are done with this thing. That it means, right?
we didn't do, not we are dead. We didn't use it. I am not speaking of the consumed. I am speaking which is not consumed.
Hmm.
Not consumed, I'm telling. I am not
So
speaking of the consumed.
not consumed is also with us only, right?
Which should not be with us. That is what I'm giving the clear open reservation.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will be blocked in my work order. The two material will be there as it is. The material, MM people cannot use that material because it is blocked for my work order.
Okay,
If they
okay, okay.
have
Suppose I am doing one repair and that bomb related had 10 material, but I am only.
leave the bomb. Don't bring the bomb. Normally, okay.
Hmm.
So 500 is my material quantity is there. I had told 10 material I need. So 500 will come to 490. Okay, 490. So I had consumed 8. Okay. But still 2 is open here. In the means not used, it is available. But from the store perspective, it is not used. If it is not used, then it should be 492. It will be 490 because you have given 10 here. Even you didn't use, it is open in your work order level for this work order. It will be under this work order. This two will be under this work order number. It will not come to 492. The store material will be 492. If I do this clear open reservation from this work order, it will get deleted and your 490 will come to 492. Your store stock of the material.
Okay.
Now I am getting two material now. Otherwise, it will be blocked in my work order.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
That is what clear open reservation. Okay. Yeah. Next is my TECO. Okay. All my maintenance activities are completed. Okay. See, what we are discussing is common for any order process. Okay. What we are discussing, it will go 1 week, 10 days, common. Again, specifically, we'll do preventive. We'll see later. Maybe breakdown. Maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow we'll be seeing. Okay. So others are come. Even for breakdown, also the steps are same. What we are doing is for all work order. For all work order, it will come. Okay. My phone is ringing. 1 second, sorry. Okay. Yeah, these steps is common for any work order, all work order process. Okay, don't think it's for some, for every work order it will be common. Okay, don't. I'll tell you specifically if it is coming to the process. I'll be telling you. Don't worry. Okay, right. So now confirmation is done. Okay, release reversal will do tomorrow. Okay, now TECO. We need to do TECO, right? Very simple. Order, function, complete technically. Order, function, complete technically, or give this tick mark, complete technically. Work order is in display mode, right? My work order is in display mode. When I do my TECO, my work order will come to display mode. My work order will come to, even I am in the change, my work order will be in display mode because it is technically completed. Means all my maintenance activities are completed. Fine.
What does it mean by all the maintenance activities? The labor has done their work, the costing is done. Those are the
Yes.
things.
Costing means not settlement. Settlement will be at the late only. Settlement will be at
Okay.
the time. Costing means your confirmation, labor confirmation, my MM integrations, all the MM integrations.
So suppose there was a fridge repair in an organization. So fridge has been repaired, this many employees have come, this much of work has been done, this has been
Yes.
checked. So
Yes.
all this is done, so this is TECO. So
Yes.
settlement is the next step.
Next step. Yes. That is what TECO.
Okay.
That is what TECO. That is what TECO. Okay. So worker will, in the means further no one should come and edit it. No one should come. My work is completed. No one should come and edit it. You can take that way also. Other people should. Again, you can reverse. Again, you can reverse. That's not a matter, but that is what TECO. Okay. Again, you can reverse. This reverse null we'll see tomorrow. I don't want to confuse everything on the same day. Okay. So my all work is completed, right? Work order came to TECO status, right? Then settlement. Okay. So this settlement. Actually, we don't have the actual cost. Okay, it is 0 here. Okay, this is the field. We will be seeing later, don't worry. During F and we will be seeing this field is the cost you are going to do the settlement, this field. Okay, the last field in the total actual, or you can come this way also. You can come order, cost, planned and actual comparison. You can come this way also. Okay, this field. Okay, or you can come, we'll be coming later during costing, we'll discuss. I'm just so this field. Okay. Both will come in. So this is the field. I'll show you, but no cost. Just I will show you. Okay, my order will come directly. Give the controlling area 1000, and you need to give the settlement period. Okay, now this is 7th month. Okay, and the fiscal year. Okay, cost will not be there. That's what. This is not error message. It is telling already settled or nothing is there to settle. Our scenario now is nothing is there to settle. Right? We have nothing now to settle. That is what this settlement. So when you do this, if the cost is there from the PM module, the money which was here, it will be pushed to the finance. It will be pushed to the finance. This field will come from value to 0. It will come from value to 0. That is what settlement. And the last is the business closure. And the last is the business closure. Actually, that link I was having, which is the patch I need to not this patch only. I was having that link. Yes, okay. You will understand the settlement. I'll give this link, go through, okay. You'll understand the settlement here, okay. Yes, KO88, not this. Don't see this all. Here, okay. You can come and see, okay, so how the settlement is happening, okay. See, it will come this screen, okay. So here you can see this button, right? Here you can see the originals. Okay, that I'll show later. I am not having data. I'll give this later. Just you see this from here. You see from this 8 minutes, right? You see it how the settlement is happening. Okay. Where are we now? So this is about the settlement. That's all. And then you need to close the work order. And then you need to close the work order. Be very, very thorough. What I teach you today. Don't think it is I can do later, because this is the basic of your PM model, the work order flow. You should be very thorough in fingertips. In fingertips. and then the business closure. This button, complete business. Okay, status will come CLST. What is log? Okay, some reservation is open. It is telling. Okay, unprocessed future change reservations. Okay, preventive. Your material we had used, right? Material we had used here. So it is telling reservations are open. Okay, so that is what. Otherwise, you can complete your. Okay, it is not allowing. Okay, the status will come to CLST. Status will come to CLST. Okay, this is the basic work order process. Saurabh, today one day you need to sit and go through today's video. Please, today one day. Today now night or tomorrow before. Please, you have done. Okay, this QS confirmation means you should tell labor worker. Don't tell general workers completed.
Confirmation, I'm sure, because like in my application, I've created a form wherein like this record labor final confirmation, and this goes to SAP from my application. So I remember this very well.
Very important, madam, to you also. TECO means all my maintenance activities are completed. Be sure on the words. That's what I will do. These are important. People who tell confirmation activities are completed. Labor activities are completed. Okay, so be clear on it. Please go through this video. Okay, if you didn't practice, tomorrow message me. I didn't practice. We can hold one day, no issues. But you should be thorough on what I teach you today. That is very important. This is the fundamental of your PM model. It means the base work order. With this work order only, your two full PM model is running. Getting my point? What I'm telling? This full PM model is running on this work order process only. Getting me right, both of you. In case you are not thorough, message me. No class, so we can take a break. But you should use that break. That's what my point. The practice we will continue as usual.